Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. I'm back on another Power Wheels. I picked this up on the side of the road, and if you remember, I worked on the little John Deere tractor. I basically just took the battery and stuck the wires into it to make it work. I decided to go ahead and buy the Craftsman adapter to go ahead and fix that. But before I did that, I thought I'd show you how to actually adapt it onto another Power Wheels buggy. So this is a four-wheeler. I'm not sure exactly what the brand is. It's pretty rough, but I did test it real quick to make sure that the wheels would work and so forth. It says Kawasaki on it, but I'm sure it's Power Wheels or something like that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop this on. So first things first, you want to make sure that you get the back end of the four-wheeler, Power Wheels, whatever you want to call it, up in the air. Take care of that. Get our light over here. And then inside the unit itself, somebody has already fooled with this. Okay, so I mean, that's going to happen. It looks like they might have had hooked up a battery to it already. I already had tested this to make sure that it was going to be okay. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut those wires. And I'm just going to cut them somewhere here where it looks good, because I don't want to use what they have. And you're going to end up with two wires. Now, I might have not have mentioned this on the last video, but the black one is generally the positive. I'm going to go ahead and you're going to strip that back about maybe 1/4 of an inch, like that and like that. And the reason for that is this adapter, when you buy this, it comes with a clip for putting the wires in. It comes with its own little device here, so you don't have to worry about splicing anything. So all you need is a pair of wire strippers to do this job. So all you need to do is you pull up on these little tabs like that. You take the wire, the red one is going to be my positive. You just slide it in and you push that tab down like that. You do the same thing with this one right here. Slide that in, push it down, and it locks in really good. So on the adapter itself, it comes with a 30 amp fuse already in, and it also comes with 2 replacements. And I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm just going to strip this about 1/4 of an inch like that. Do the same thing with this side here. All right. And then just slide it in, clamp it down, and do the same thing with this one here. Just slide it in and clamp it down. And that's all there is to it. Now, I'm not going to bother bolting this down because I want to put it on the little tractor that I showed you last time. But it's got a couple of holes here so you can kind of mount that wherever you want. Then you take your battery, which I'm using the Craftsman. If you're using DeWalt or Makita or something like that, you're just going to make sure you get the right adapter. I'm going to slide that in, just like that. Now I've got the wheels up in the air, so I don't have to worry about it running off the table. We push the button, and there you go. So this is ready to rock and roll for some little one that wants to ride around. Again, what I'd probably do is kind of clean this all up and maybe paint it up or something like that. But I just couldn't help not pick it up off the side of the road. So that's basically all there is to it. And then pull the battery out, put it on the charger, pop another one in, and you're running again. So I could just take this and just set this down in there, and it would be fine for this test. Put the seat back on. All right. And they're ready to go. So if you find these on the side of the road, you know, just grab them. Just grab them, because you can always use the switches for another project that you're working on. Maybe you got another Power Wheels that needs the foot switch or a motor or whatever it may be. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.